What's up YouTube? Wing Zero from Gundam Gaming here. Today we're looking at Flamingo Hotel's Two Queen Flamingo room. We'll do a walkthrough tour, look at pricing, and I'll let you know if it has the value to give you the most bang for your buck. So this time we stayed in room 125 on the 23rd floor. The room is 350 square feet and has a decent amount of space. This is one of the hotel's newly renovated rooms. Here you have your floor-length mirror on the door leading to the adjoining room. Hanging on the wall, you have a 55-inch flat screen, and below that, your desk and workspace area. Near the hotel phone, they have an electronics hub with AC outlets, fast charge USB ports, an HDMI port, and even hookup options for Bluetooth devices. Now, most other hotels have mini bars in their rooms, but one of my personal favorite reasons for staying at the Flamingo, the fridge. Every room I've stayed in here has a mini fridge, perfect for storing snacks, waters, chasers, leftovers, you name it. On the right side in that same space is the safe, as well as an extra storage area. Past that, you have a small table, as well as a lounge chair to relax in here by the floor lamp. On the opposite side of the room, you have two queen-size beds with a nightstand in between. Here on the nightstand, you have your dual switch lamp, and on each side, you have a hub with AC outlets, fast charge USB ports, perfect for phones, watches, and your other devices. As you can see, there are all types of interesting Flamingo themed decor, and overall, I think it's plenty of space for 3 to 4 people to move around comfortably in. You don't have to worry about bumping into each other or getting in each other's personal space. Now, on to the bathroom. I feel they're a little small, but always very clean. On one side, you have your backlit, fog-resistant mirror. There's plenty of counter space for any toiletries you may have, and below is storage for washcloths and towels. Next to that, you have your toilet. On the other side of the bathroom, you have your shower, with dispensers for body wash, conditioner, and shampoo, and also a rainfall shower head. Across from the bathroom, you have a closet with storage chest, luggage rack, iron, and ironing board. Another feature I like installed in the closet are these motion activated lights, which come on once you slide the doors open. Up top is some additional storage space. On to one of my favorite parts of this property, the amazing view. If you select a room that says high roller view, most of them have an amazing view of the high roller observation wheel. This thing, lit up at night, just really puts me in my happy place. Even though you're facing the back of the hotel, there's plenty to see, including the Flamingo's wildlife habitat, as well as its 2 pools. I highly recommend you try a high roller view room at least once. Now, on the pricing. I feel that Flamingo's price point is one of its best features. The rooms can run anywhere between $50 Monday through Wednesday to upwards of $250 on the weekends, plus resort fees. Mind you, with the various events returning to Vegas, summer right around the corner, as well as Vegas beginning to try to bounce back from the big event in 2020, prices are beginning to climb upwards and quickly. But overall, would I recommend staying at the Flamingo? Absolutely. First and foremost, the location can't be beat. It's directly in the center of the strip, which means getting to various locations don't seem like such a hassle. The price is one of the best you're going to find as far as a low to mid-tier option on the strip if you're sticking with a Caesars property. The rooms are clean, and with the bonus of the mini fridges, puts it above most other hotels on the strip. Now, I have heard rumors that Caesars plans to sell the Flamingo soon, so if you're a Caesars Rewards member, take advantage of your discounted rates while you can. That was my review of the Flamingo's Two Queen Flamingo room. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and be sure to subscribe so you know when my next video drops. Also, let me know in the comments if you like or dislike the Flamingo and why. This has been Wing Zero. See you next time.